Checking all systems in the green.
The SKELDAR vehicle is a medium-range rotary-wing UAV with high payload capacity. It can be fitted with a variety of sensors depending on mission requirements. The system has a very small logistical footprint. A standard setup would be 2 air vehicles and 1 ground control station, GCS, which can be integrated with a vehicle of choice. SKELDAR can be launched from a traveling convoy as well as from a safe zone. The system is compact and easy to transport, ready to support any operation, anywhere. In 2013, SKELDAR was put to the test during a live demonstration. An open space was used as launch area.
With 2 operators and 1 mechanic, SKELDAR only requires a minimum of personnel, and it's rapidly deployed, so it's very responsive to immediate needs. We had received information from various sources that an individual suspected for many attacks was in our area of operation. Within minutes, we had SKELDAR in the air, searching for him.
SKELDAR 1 taking off, climbing 2,500, 500 feet to go.
The suspect's vehicle could have deviated from its last known route in a number of places. An optimized search pattern was defined, which SKELDAR followed autonomously. The first road searched proved empty, but then SKELDAR spots a vehicle en route yellow.
SKELDAR 1, target is acquired. We're descending altitude 500 feet AGL above the target.
SKELDAR tracks the vehicle from a distance, careful to avoid detection.
Tracking target now, he's heading south-southwest.
Real-time information is a powerful asset. Having access to SKELDAR's sensor image really helped improve our situational awareness. My team's mission was to capture Vincent once we received a positive ID.
The strike team is closing in on the target when something unexpected happens.
Target is stopped. Approaching somebody. Entering the building. Hovering now, 0 knots.
The major benefit of a rotor wing design over a fixed wing design is the ability to avoid dead angles while observing a stationary target. SKELDAR can hover for many hours while providing real-time information.
Carrying something out. Looks like IEDs. Loading them into the back of the truck. Foxtrot Alpha, SKELDAR 1. Target's mobile. Route yellow.
Roger that. Approaching interception point.
ETA, 45 seconds.
Still unaware he's being followed, Vincent drives right into the hands of the strike team.
SKELDAR, Foxtrot Alpha. The target is on the run.
Roger. Target's on foot. Heading east.
Vehicle secured. Pursuing target.
Target is hiding approximately 200 meters to the east of your position.
Roger that. 200 east.
In a final attempt to get away, Vincent tries to run.
Get down! Get down!
I have a positive ID on the target. Vincent captured.
The Karlskoga demonstration provides clear evidence of SKELDAR's operational value. Rapid deployment, ease of use, and the ability to hover are just a few of the features that make SKELDAR one of the most advanced UASs available. SKELDAR. Seeing is believing.